All right, so I did the first one here for you. Tangent x equals 2 sine x on the closed interval 0 to 2 pi. So the biggest mistake people make here is when they usually get to this part here where they separate tangent into sine x, cosine x, and then they cross off the sine x's, and that's going to lose a solution. So don't ever do that. You don't want to cross things off. What you want to do is you want to shift it over to the other side and factor it out like so. So if you look there, I just did each step and then I factored it out. Now I have two solutions. The product of these are equal to 0. Therefore, either one of those are 0. So you separate sine x equals 0, 1 over cosine x minus 2 equals 0, which is cosine x equals 1/2. And then from there, it's fairly simple to solve. You can go further into the arc cosines or the inverses if you like. But right here for sine x, all you have to do, reference the unit circle. Sine x equals 0. That's the y component. When is the y component 0? The y component is 0 at 0 radians or 0 degrees. You jump over 180 degrees, it's 0 again. Now you're on a closed interval, so you're going to include 2 pi as well. So you go all the way back over here, and you have 0, so you got 2 pi is also included. So your solutions here for the first part is 0 pi and 2 pi because you're on a closed interval. So 0 pi and 2 pi, all three of those are included. Now, if that was a parenthesis, then 2 pi would not be included. Same on the left for 0. And then for cosine, x equals 1/2, or this should be x is arc cosine. Forget about that. It's x is cosine inverse or arc of 1/2. Doing this with the keypad right now. Okay, so that would be that. So cosine x is 1/2 or x is cosine inverse 1/2. So the same thing. Where's the x component 1/2? Right there, pi over 3. You can move counterclockwise. Don't go this way. This is not the right way. You're going counterclockwise. So we're going along from 0 to 2 pi counterclockwise. If I go past 2 pi, then I'm going to 4 pi. That's not included in the interval. So we're going from 0 to pi over 3. We zoom around. We got negative 1/2, negative 1/2, and then positive 1/2 again. And then there's no more positive 1/2s, and we stop at 2 pi. So 1/2, 1/2. So pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3 is going to be your solution for the second part. So then you combine all 5 of those. All 5 of those would be your solution on the closed interval. So unless your interval was different or the computer has something, then that's the solution. You can also use Wolfram Alpha to answer these questions. You can type it in there and hit search, and it will give you the answer. They may not like it in this one. You have to do a screen share. Let me share my screen here. So you can type it into Wolfram Alpha here, just like so. And Wolfram Alpha will output the answer, but it's going to give you it with an n multiples. So you just put in 0 there, you get x equals 0. You put in 1 there, you get pi. You put in 2 there, you get 2 pi. Same here, you're going to get pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. So that right there is the first one. I'll leave the second one for you because if you can't do this on your own, you'll never pass the test. So good luck.